Okay, great. It is CC the Great here with the My First Wig Quality Wigs for Beginners. This is their cute little kit. It comes with one wig carrier bag, one rat tail comb, one foldable wig stand, one polyester wig cap, 2 hair clips, and some cute bobby pins. My client brought this here to me. She has a red wig that they sent her and a black one, and she is speaking at this domestic violence event in Memphis, so I'm excited about that. And she said, I want to change my look up twice, so we're going to use this My First Wig kit, and then we'll come back in a few weeks with a review to tell you guys what we thought about it. But I thought first I'd show you guys how to install this cute little collection, so we'll be back. You're right, I forget you said that. So I am reviewing the wig and looking at it. I've already kind of cut off some of the mesh from the wig, the lace, but I'm just noticing from where they colored it, they kind of got it all over the lace. So that's one thing. We're hoping it gets better from here. To show you guys the truth, a true review. We are not paid for this. Okay, great. So I've actually placed the wig on my client's head, and it's on there. One thing I'm noticing is they cut it, but it's literally just cut. It's no like life or texture into it. They literally just went with some shears and just raked across it. So I am going to go in and add some texture and definition into the wig. So again, we still have our fingers crossed, because we want to love the wig collection just like everyone else does. So I'm going to place the comb, the nape of the neck, and the side combs. Don't forget about the side combs. You're going to pull those and attach them. So the wig has been placed on the head, and this is how it looks. before it's styled. So this is the asymmetrical one. I'll say that the cut is actually okay on this one. I only have to do minimal cutting. Of course, it has tons of flyaways, so we're going to fix that. Flyaways, the shorter hairs, a lot of them. But we're going to get that together. And then, but I'll say that this cut is way better than the red, my first wig that we opened up and installed a few minutes ago. So.